Hey everybody, welcome. As the title says, I'm going to rehouse my Ornithoctonus aureotibialis female. Now, this is going to present a challenge because as you can see she's in one of these jars and I don't really have a whole lot of room to work with. I did make a hole already over here to let me know where I need to put the water because obviously I don't want to trap her between the water and the end of her burrow. So that's the end of the burrow, that's where I will pour the water in. Hopefully it will go as well as it did with the Ephopus murinus. I'm hoping I can catch everything on video. So hopefully this is going to work, because else I'm going to have to dig her out and that's not going to be a whole lot of fun. Okay, so it didn't work and you can't see it on camera, but there's just a whole lot of water in the burrow and she didn't come out. So what I'm going to try and do now is, well, first off, not panic, but second off is try to get the water out. I'm not panicked, I'm not afraid she's gonna drown right now because they can hold their breath for quite a while. Okay, so I poured all the extra water out and when I did the Ephopus murinus, this method went like perfect, and now you have a case of when it doesn't work. I did exactly the same thing, just didn't want to work. So now I'm having the same troubles that Tom Moran has with this method, and now I have to do this, and I really do not want to do this because I do not have a very long spoon, and I really do not feel like getting bitten by this species, as they are obviously in the old world. Okay, so she is in here in the bottom somewhere on this side. So for you viewers on the far side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to poke her out, and hopefully she's not going to be too crazy. Oh, I can see her. Okay, one moment. New setup I've got for her, obviously a water bowl, some fake plants, some dead leaves, some moss, the little thingies you see crawling around, they are springtails, so no mites. I got a comment on a previous video that said so many mites, but they are springtails. Now let's see if she wants to go in. I made a pre-made burrow right here. It goes pretty deep. Okay, she seems to be in. She dropped down. Oh, okay. What I'm going to try to do is to crawl her into the pre-made burrow that I made for her. Right there. Hopefully she will. Oh, trap poses. No. Don't do that, girl. I wish the flooding method had worked, because then I would have had her caught in that small vial, which would make this a little bit easier, because I could put the vial in, put the lid on, and have her come out that way. But now that's not an option. So this must be completely very, very boring to you guys. I can't imagine it being anything else, and I'm so sorry. But at least this way you guys get to see that even I, well, not even I, that I also struggle with rehouses every now and then. You guys always seem to think that all my tarantulas cooperate all the time, but they don't. And she's even trap posing. I mean, oh, you can't see. Come on. But yeah, unfortunately, that's not how it works. Also, I struggle. But the key is to keep calm, keep relaxed, don't rush, don't try to rush. Okay, she dropped down again. Let me see if I can take away. Alright, she is in. Okay, so the beautiful lady decided to come out of her burrow and go explore a little bit. So luckily I did get the chance to get her on film for you guys. She's scrunched up. Obviously she's a little bit scared, of course. She's out of her element at this moment. I'm 100% sure she will make this enclosure her own real soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys didn't think the video was too boring, and see you guys in the next. Please think about the subscriber giveaway. I will post the link to that video in the description, and bye bye, have a good one.